All right, guys, today's choreography, let's break this down. We always start with, no, we don't always start, but today we're gonna start with the James Brown. It's the Oakland version of James Brown. Let's do it one time first, and we'll break it down, right?
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that was nice. There's a lot of things going on. When you practice at home, first thing all you want to do is just pivot heel toe. You gotta be very clear on which way you're pivoting, okay? So let's start with our left leg. And when you start, let's do this. Ballet, we call this first position, is that right? But we're not gonna do like a really proper, like huge. We're just gonna do like a 45 degrees each side, okay? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna lean to my left side, and I'm gonna go 1 and, that's it, okay? So I make sure I go, when I go 1, my heel does touch the ground. I'm gonna go 1 and, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and, good. Let's go to the right side. 6, 7, 8, 1 and, okay? That part is simple, we all got that one. Now, next drill really is, you want to do it on one leg. So I'm going to be balancing on the right leg or balancing on the left leg. Right leg's in the air. 6, 7, 8, 1 and. That one's tougher, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you find that more difficult, try to maybe hold on to a wall or a chair or something that stabilizes you so you can get that moving, okay? And it helps too if you kind of use your arms to counterbalance. So let's go right leg. 6, 7, 8. 1 and, I'm sorry, I said right leg.
Yeah, you did.
Another
right.
I meant right leg. 5, 6, left, 7, 8, 1 and. Good. And again, this is one leg. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the right side, the real right leg, and left leg is in the air. 6, 7, 8, 1 and. So if you, like me, you're gonna realize one leg is stronger than the other, right? Mm-hmm. So usually if you're right-handed, your left leg is good. So when we go to left, it's like, oh, no problem. Going to the right, it's like, oh, it's weak. So it's okay, just practice. Practice this side a little bit more. Let's try right side again. 6, 7, 8, 1 and. Good. Once you get that, now the right leg has the same thing, has something to do at the same time. So what we're gonna do, left leg is 1 and, right leg is 1 and. Make sure it goes up and down. So putting it together, 7, 8, 1 and. Okay. So notice when I go 1, I'm kind of twisting here. I'm going 1 and. Put it down. Okay. So we did the left pretty good. Let's do the right because this is our weak side. 6, 7, 8, 1 and. Notice I'm using my arm, right? I'm twisting this way. It helps a lot if you use your arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and. That was perfect. So once you get that, the next drill is doing doubles. Okay. So let's go to the left side 2 times without any right leg. So you go right leg is in the air, and you're gonna go 1 and 2 and.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. That was awesome. Let's put it down. Let's go to the right side. Same thing. Double. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Ooh, I feel weak on that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's work on it one time. Side. 6, 7, 1 and 2 and. Good. So more you practice, the stronger you get. Okay. Okay. So now let's go single, single, double with breaks. Okay. So I don't want you to go 1 and 2 and 3. We're gonna go 1 and that. So a little break. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. That's it. Same thing. Let's go to the right, left, and then 2 to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. So you guys know the drill. When you get that down, then take away the breaks, then you have it all together. Let's do it one more time together. 5, no breaks.
No breaks.
No breaks.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Oh shit, I said no breaks. I meant no breaks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good. Moving forward, here we go. Now what we got is 1 and 2. Okay. So when I step out, I'm going out, but make sure my knees are bent. So I'm not going here like this. I'm going 1 and 2. All I'm doing is getting my heel, pivot the heel out. Okay. So 7, 8. 1 and 2. I think 1 and 2, and I go and 3. So and 3, I'm pivoting on the ball of my feet here. Heel both turn, and then toes turn. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. From here, I just jump in and 4. When I do this here, I want to make sure this knee kind of bends a little bit more. And 4. Let's get to and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So from here, we're going to do our running man. And before we do the real running man, we're going to do like jumping jacks. You're going to get, let's face front. So right here, you're going to jump 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. What are we going to show? First, or front, I'll go sideways, okay? So 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So notice how right when I count on the 1, legs are apart. 1, and 2, and, right? The ands are in the middle, the counts are apart. Now the next thing I want you to do is I want to go 1, and. This one, you're making sure that about 90% of your weight is on the foot that's flat, and about 10%, even 5%. It's very, very little weight on the leg that's on the tip toe, okay? So let's try facing forward, right leg first. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. We're just gonna go 4 and, okay? This time let's face sideways so you can see the side version. So we start with, was it here?
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 4. Okay. Next version. Instead of just tiptoe here, try to get this leg just slightly off the ground. So it looks like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? Let's go a little bit faster. I know it's got time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. That's actually our 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's start from the 1. 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So little 5, 6, 7, 8, that's our running man. Okay? Good. Next part is from here, it's like a skateboard, you're gonna go and 1, like you're pedaling the skateboard, okay? So you're gonna go and 1 and 2. Make this a good circle. And 1 and 2. Right when I step on the 2, I want to step it on my heel. I want to step the heel and push the heel right in front of the other toe, okay? So it's not like here and I want to step way out. I don't want to step out there. I want to go right in front of my right toe. And 1 and 2 right here. And I want to keep that other toe up, so this way I could do a heel toe spin. Spin, and then switch to the other heel toe, okay? So let's go back to 1 again. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. From here, I want to spin. 3, 4. By 4, I should be facing the front. If I'm not facing the front, I'm almost facing the front, okay? And as I spin, I want my weight on the back leg, which allows my right leg to go. 5, kick it on the 5, 6, powder break, 7 and 8, okay? So for that drill right here, just do this. You're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and. Notice on the and, that's when I shift weight. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Once I start doing this way, then let me make it more round, round. So this kind of allows me to kind of make that circular motion that goes back a little bit, okay? But when you practice, you could just boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go one more time from the out.
Okay.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. All right. Any questions? No, we're good. So let's practice. And
I actually have one question.
Yep.
On when you go 1 and 2, are you when you're doing the I forget.
James Brown, the first one?
Yeah, the first one when you're doing this part right here.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, and then you're turning this way. It looks like you're only turning.
Oh, the second part after the James Brown.
Yeah, right after.
So it's 1 and 2.
Okay.
I'm only turning my left leg. When I go 1 and, they're both still facing 45 degrees out.
Okay.
1 and 2. On the 2 now, they're both facing the same direction, whereas before they're both opposite.
Okay.
1 and 2 and 3. So on the 2, they're parallel.
Good
Good
question,
question.
Patrick.
Good question.
Good question.
All right. Cool. We done.